Hi, today I'm going to be opening Lego set 10229, the Winter Village Cottage. It has 1,490 pieces. Let's look at the back. Here's the back. Okay, let's open it up. Wow. Big 2. Big 1. Big 3. Another big 3. Another big 1. Another big 2. Instructions. They're nice and with cardboard. That's good. Oh. Another big 3. Another big 3. Another big 2. Magic wand. Another big 1. Another big 1. What else? Some loose plates. Looks like 8 by 16. White. Oh, there's more. So we got 4 of those. Looks like 4 8 by 16 white plates. Another big 2. Another big 1 like skis. Another number 2 bag. A mug. Oh, bricks. I like those. Tiny number 2 bag. Oh, there's more. Another number 2 bag. More. I'm going to dump it out. Okay. Another number 2. Some windows and another number 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number 1 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number 2 bags, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number 3 bags, plus the 4 plates, and, whoops, sorry, and the instructions. Let's open those up. Let's see how many books we have. I found a sticker sheet in there. To get a sticker sheet. And the instruction booklets. There's book number 1. And book number 2. So you get 2 books. So So there it is, my unboxing of Lego set 10229, the Winter Village Cottage. Thanks for watching.